Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and drivers. Plug your GPU to the display or AVR with a good HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Audio travels over that same digital link. Once done, install or update the Nvidia driver so the HD audio component is present. This ensures the OS sees an Nvidia audio device. Make sure Windows Update isn't blocking driver versions, and reboot after driver install so the new audio endpoint registers in the sound control panel. Next, you enable and select the Nvidia audio endpoint. Open Sound Settings, then Sound Control Panel to view playback devices. Some endpoints start disabled, so show disabled devices. Right-click the Nvidia High Definition audio device and enable it, then set it as default device and default communication device if needed. Once set, test with system sounds or media. If you don't hear anything, confirm the monitor/AVR input matches the cable port and that the display's volume isn't muted. Finally, configure quality and finalize. In speaker properties, set the default format, sample rate/bit depth, and enable spatial sound if desired. Higher formats require compatible hardware. Make sure your AVR or monitor firmware and input settings accept the incoming HDMI/DP audio stream. Once configured, play a multi-channel test file to confirm channels map correctly. If problems persist, try a different cable or port, power cycle devices, or roll back to a known working driver. These steps isolate hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.